Hey, welcome to Good Enough Spanish, where my mission is to help you learn Spanish good enough to travel more, build more confidence, and get more out of life. Now, in this lesson, we're going to continue on with the Spanish numbers, but what I'm going to go over is Spanish numbers 11 through 15. Now, you may ask, why 11 through 15? Why not 11 through 20 or something? Because you left off on 1 through 10 last time, if you saw my last video, so why not just continue with 11 through 20? Well, my reasoning for this is this. See, I look at the Spanish numbers a little differently than most other people and most other tutors or teachers. From my experience, in my path, I found that the numbers 1 through 10 lay down the foundation of the Spanish numbers. It's like building a house. So I look at 1 through 10 as that foundation for that home for which all the other numbers to build upon. But then I look at numbers 11 through 15 as like the staircase to the rest of those numbers. Okay, because once you go up that staircase, it's almost like rinse and repeat for the rest of those numbers. Because 11, 15 through 15, the reason why I separate that is because they follow a different pattern than the other numbers. They're just not the same. Okay, so as a matter of fact, let me do a quick review of 1 through 10, and then we're going to segue into 11 through 15, and we're going to leave it like that. Okay, so 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. 6, seis. 7, siete. 8, ocho. 9, nueve. 10, diez. Now, 11, once. 12, doce. 13, trece. 14, catorce. And 15, quince. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. Okay, and just by listening, you probably heard the different change that I'm talking about on that 11 through 15. Okay. Nowhere in that 1 through 10 did we even follow the pattern of 11 through 15. So, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Then it changes to once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. Then after that, just to give you a sneak peek in a comparison, it's 16, dieciséis, diecisiete, 18, 19. See, so it just follows a different pattern. Okay, so that's the way I look at it. And that's, from my experience, that was the best way for me to wrap my head around it when learning. And I imagine that it would be better for you too, especially if you're a native English speaker. Regardless of what all the other courses teach it, that's what I discovered. It was easier for me to break it down into chunks like this. Okay, so let's focus on that 11 through 15 again. Again, 11 is once, 12 is doce, 13 is trece, 14, catorce, and 15, quince. Okay? Now, if you listen to those 5 numbers, you probably hear or even feel, if you're not aware of hearing it, but you probably feel some similarity there. It's a similar flow. Okay? Once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. What do you hear there at the end? They all end in say. And most of them have minus 1, most of them have 2 syllables. Once, 2 syllables. Doce, 2 syllables. Trece, 2 syllables. The only one, 14, catorce, 3 syllables, and quince, 2 syllables. So minus catorce, they all have 2 syllables in that sequence, and they both end in se. Okay? So if you think of it like that, break it down in your head, it's not too hard to remember. Okay? And that's that staircase leading up to all the other Spanish numbers. Okay? So again, we have that foundation, that video 1 through 10. If you haven't gone over that, you need to review that again. And then we have that staircase of 11 through 15. And then the sky is the limit, okay? Okay, so that's the quick lesson for today. Spanish numbers 11 through 15. Go over that, let that sink in, because once you build these foundation of numbers, they will really come in handy. Numbers are used for everything, as we know in life: money, ID numbers, dates, birthdays, everything. So it's not a waste of time to learn these things. This is practical knowledge, very useful, and it will take you a long way. A little bit of the key type of information, a little bit of the right information can take you a long way in Spanish. Believe me on that. I'm out here every day. I'm out here doing it, walking the walk, not just talking the talk. Right now, I'm coming at you from Envigado, Colombia. It's a municipality, a smaller city that's a part of Metro Medellin. So I'm out here traveling, and believe me, Spanish, even just a little bit of the right Spanish, takes you a long way. So hang in there, and remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.